How to get started with Coinbase Wallet. First, you download the official Coinbase Wallet application in the App Store or Play Store. When you open the application after downloading, you have the option to create a new wallet or use an existing wallet. For the purpose of this video, we will create a new wallet. Now, Coinbase Wallet is asking you to allow Face ID. For Android, you need to create a passcode. Now you can create your free username. For the purpose of this video, we choose to do this later. In the next step, you need to choose if you want to allow Coinbase Wallet to send you notifications. Congratulations, you just created your wallet. But we are not finished yet. Now we are going to back up your account with a secret recovery phrase. Press the Settings button in the right bottom corner. Then press Security and press Wallet. Unlock your wallet with Face ID on iOS or passcode for Android. Please select Allow to permit access in the upcoming notification regarding the request for the recovery phrase or private key. Now press the I button to reveal your recovery phrase. In the last step, you need to back up your secret recovery phrase. You have the option to store your phrase manually or back up in iCloud or Google Drive. We highly recommend you to store this manually. Make sure to write down your phrase immediately and store this in a safe place. Do not share this code with anyone. Did you save all 12 words? Tick the checkbox if you did and press Complete Backup. Congratulations, you have now secured your wallet and set up your wallet for trading. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.